Yo internet, today I'm going to open up this Loot Gaming crate. Oh cool, Batman knife. Alright. Let's see. Try and set it up so you can see in it maybe. Well, maybe not. I just have to do it one at a time. Got something in a Battletoads box. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it is. It's a Loot Gaming exclusive. It's a belt buckle, I think. Pretty sure that's a belt buckle. That's pretty cool. You ever played Battletoads? That's a hard game, man. Let's see what we got next. We've got a League of Legends kog-maw. It's number 11. Open the Batman knife back up. That's pretty cool. It also came with this card of authenticity that is an NFC card that proves that this is authentic. So that's pretty cool. Next up, the Fallout 4 AER9 laser rifle. Love that box. Let's check out the back. Exclusive to Loot Gaming. Man, that is cool. Let's see, how does this go? Yeah, probably like that. What do you think? Oop. Set the Fallout rifle up back there. Alright, what else we got in here? We got a t-shirt. Looks super 80s. I'll get a better picture. I'll get a picture of the t-shirt to show you, because it's kind of hard to focus on. Nice. Got a Fallout 4 bottle cap. Loot Gaming Fallout bottle cap. That's awesome. It's a Nuka World looking bottle cap. And it says Champion June 2017 for the loot crate that it's from. And a big poster. Oh, there was a Pip-Boy epic drop. I'm jealous. I have the actual Pip-Boy from the game though, so. Ooh, and here's a nice poster. That's awesome. let's see, was there anything else in there? Hold on a second.